Right, so I'm going to show you how to add the JBL Sense Pro earbuds to the JBL app on your Android phone. Now, of course, the first thing you need to do is put them in pairing mode and connect them via Bluetooth to your phone. And then next, to get the app, simply go to the Google Play Store on your Android phone and then find the JBL Headphones app. So just search JBL Headphones. You should see the JBL Headphones app. Just go ahead and install it on your phone. With the app installed, simply launch it, accept the terms and conditions, and allow it to locate nearby devices. You need to allow that. And then you can see the JBL Sense Pros have been detected. And if it pops up like that, just tap on Get Started. Okay. And then you're gonna have some tips, and there you go. So there's the JBL Sense Pro in the JBL app. Thanks for watching, and good luck.